In today's video, I'm going to explain what the Trello error 503 means, why it happens, and exactly what you can do about it. If you've tried opening Trello and suddenly see a 503 service unavailable message, don't panic. This error usually isn't caused by your computer or your internet settings. It typically means Trello's servers are temporarily unable to handle your request. I'll walk you through what's going on behind the scenes and the practical steps you can take right now. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple software troubleshooting guides. So first, what exactly is a 503 error? The 503 service unavailable message is an HTTP status code. In simple terms, it means the website server is currently unavailable. With Trello, this usually happens for one of three reasons: server overload, scheduled maintenance, or a backend service issue. When too many users access Trello at the same time, the servers can become overloaded. Instead of crashing completely, the system returns a 503 error to let users know the service is temporarily unavailable. Another common reason is maintenance. Trello occasionally performs updates or infrastructure improvements, and during that time, parts of the service may not respond. Finally, there could be unexpected backend issues, such as database problems or network interruptions within Trello's infrastructure. Now here's the important part. In most cases, this is not a problem on your end. It's not your laptop, not your browser, and not necessarily your internet connection. However, there are still a few steps you can take to confirm what's happening and potentially resolve it faster. Step 1. Check Trello's status page. Open a new tab and search for Trello status, or go directly to status.atlassian.com. Trello is owned by Atlassian, so system-wide issues are reported there. If you see an active incident or outage reported, then the issue is confirmed to be on their side. In that case, the only real solution is to wait until the service is restored. Step 2. Refresh the page after a few minutes. Since 503 errors are temporary, sometimes simply waiting 5 to 10 minutes and refreshing can solve the issue. Step 3. Try opening Trello in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps rule out browser extension conflicts or cache data problems. If Trello loads normally in incognito mode, then a browser extension could be interfering. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, find privacy or browsing data, and clear cached images and files. Then restart your browser and try again. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Even though 503 errors are usually server-side, a very unstable network connection can sometimes trigger temporary loading failures. Try switching networks or restarting your router just to rule that out. If after all these steps Trello is still showing a 503 error and the status page reports an outage, then the issue is fully on Trello's end. In that situation, there's nothing technically wrong with your account. You just need to wait for their engineers to fix the issue. To avoid panic in the future, remember that 503 errors are temporary by design. They are not permanent bans, not deleted boards, not lost data. Your projects and tasks are still stored safely on Trello and Trello. So to quickly recap, a Trello 503 error means the service is temporarily unavailable, usually due to overload, maintenance, or backend issues. Check the Atlassian status page, wait a few minutes, try incognito mode, clear your cache, and verify your connection. Most of the time, the fix is simply patience. If this video helped you understand the Trello error 503 and what to do about it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.